Wait lang. Say GG after your team has been eliminated or the match has ended. I said GG 5 times!
Oh my.
Paano nga ba maglaro dito?
Huh?
You get blocks, right?
Same. Pre, may lucky blocks dito, pre. Naka-lucky block tayo, by the way.
What? Really?
Oo.
That's bad, you know?
Pero mag-sprint.
My pain, nagawa na ako ni Roger.
Paano maglagay ng landmine? Ayun, nalagay ko yung landmine. Pre, may Pre, ingat kayo, merong invisible.
Saan sila? W Roger!
Swan Roger.
Roger, my goat.
Ayun na.
Can't believe I'm saying that. Uy, mini shield! Bro, this is not Fortnite!
Guy! May Fortnite items. Fortnite. Wait lang, pinifigure out ko pa kung ano tong mga to. Ang daming nangyayari. Pre, ano to?
Pre, ingat ah.
Right side ah. Grabe si Roger!
Roger scary. Nasaan na siya? Ayun yung...
Roger hard carry.
Oh my god.
Ano. Yan. Hindi mo yan ma-atake. Naka-immune pa. Ayan, wala na. Sige pa, tulak mo. Tanga! No one's kasi!